In this video, we will explore what fractional indices are, how they work, and how to simplify them. Let us begin by understanding the basics of indices. Indices, also known as exponents, are a way to represent repeated multiplication in a concise form. For example, x to the power of 2 means x multiplied by itself, or x times x. Similarly, x to the power of 3 means x multiplied by itself 3 times, or x times x times x. In general, x to the power of n represents x multiplied by itself en times. This foundation is important when we move on to more complex concepts, such as fractional indices. So, what exactly are fractional indices? Fractional indices are exponents that are written as fractions. For example, x to the power of m over n. Fractional indices combine powers and roots into a single operation. The denominator of the fraction n tells us to take the nth root of x, while the numerator m tells us to raise the result to the power of m. For instance, x to the power of 3 over 2 means the square root of x is calculated first, and then the result is cubed. X to the power of 5 over 3 means the cube root of x is calculated first, and then the result is raised to the power of 5. Let us now outline the steps to simplify fractional indices. To illustrate this process, let us work through an example. Consider 216 to the power of 2 over 3. First, identify the exponent. The numerator is 2 and the denominator is 3. You can rewrite this as the cube root of 216, all raised to the power of 2. Next, find the cube root of 216. By prime factorising, we find that 216 is equal to 2 cubed multiplied by 3 cubed. Therefore, the cube root of 216 is 2 multiplied by 3, which equals 6. Then, apply the power. 6 squared is 36. The final result is 36. Let us look at another example. 250 to the power of 2 over 3. Again, identify the exponent. The numerator is 2 and the denominator is 3. Rewrite this as the cube root of 250, all raised to the power of 2. Next, find the cube root of 250. Prime factorising 250 gives 2 multiplied by 125, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 cubed. The cube root of 250 is 5 multiplied by the cube root of 2. Raise this result to the power of 2 to get 25 multiplied by the cube root of 4. Thus, the final result is 25 multiplied by the cube root of 4. Thank you for watching this video. If you learned something new today, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel Top Grade Tutor for more content like this. Thank you, and see you in the next one.